everyone, it's Melanie of Art Studio 320. I am refinishing just a portion of a piece I already refinished. It's this MCM dresser. My client that wants to buy this piece doesn't want the red. She has chosen Ash by Fusion. I'm not going to sand it. I'm going to use mineral spirits to clean off the wax, and then it will be ready to paint. As long as there isn't any wax on it, the paint will adhere just fine. So mineral spirits on my cloth. I'm using a ruler this time. I'm pretty happy with the way this looks now. Put a little wax. I'm going to do these two, put the hardware on, and we're finished. Say goodbye, Ted.